Why should a parent or a caretaker file for a fair hearing in Massachusetts? Is to appeal to seek to reverse or overturn a adverse decision against them for abuse and neglect where their name has been placed on the DCF Central Registry. This could have huge ramifications, especially if you're somebody like a bus driver, a daycare worker, a teacher, a social worker, some individual involved in their professional capacity with children. It may bar you from your employment and your right to make a living. And this is going to sound crazy, but in the past, there was years ago where when you got involved in an accident or you got grabbed for drinking and driving, the law wasn't as stringent as it is today. We've changed the law, and for good reason. We want to protect the public and the public safety. But now if you get arrested for OUI, they can go all the way back to the very beginning and count all the OUIs you had previous to the law changing, and retroactively you could be penalized, severely penalized. So let's apply that logic and what the legislature has done to the DCF Central Registry. If you have a decision against you that's adverse, that you feel is baseless, fraudulent, and false, and you allow that to stand, can the legislature someday, like they did with the OUI law, change it so that it becomes not private anymore, but open to the public? And the answer is the legislature can do whatever they want. And would you as a parent or a caretaker want the public to know that you abused or neglected a child at any time? And the answer is obvious. So I always guide my clients and I tell them, if you've got an allegation by the government, which is what DCF is, that is false, that's baseless, that's bogus, appeal it. Appeal it, because you don't know what's going to happen. No one can predict the future. Nobody has the vision of the future. And I feel as though it's very important to appeal it. The third reason I think you should appeal is because are the schools gonna, at some point in time, start running checks with DCF regarding parents and caretakers to protect their school children? And if that's the case, are they going to do it for baseball coaches or Girl Scout leaders and all types of other positions where parents or caretakers are in charge of children? And I don't have that answer, but it certainly is within the realm of possibility, and I would guard against that. I would guard zealously your rights and appeal your rights whenever you can against the government.